dears, a very good morning. I hope you all have completed your classwork and textual exercises of lesson 1. We are going to learn about our grammar textbook of first lesson. Be ready with your grammar textbooks. Already in our previous classes we have discussed about a sentence. A sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. And you have to remember, while writing a sentence, always remember three things. That is, always a sentence begins with a capital letter. That is, for example, A, B, like Ravi, Rama, like that. And most of the sentence ends with a full stop. A sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. And the third is, the word must be put in their proper order to make a complete sense. A sentence should be in an order to make it a complete sense. For example, love toys children. Milk gives cow. Third is, do balloon many I have. Do they make complete sense? Means, is there any meaning in the sentence? No, we have to keep the sentence in a order. The most important characteristic of a sentence is the subject and the verb combination. So, we have to arrange the given sentence in a proper order. That is, children love toys. And second is, cows give milk. Third one is, I have many. Tick the sentence in each pair. Put a full stop at its end. So what you have to do is, here they have given like matching. What if it is a proper sentence, that means a sentence begins with a capital letter, ends with a full stop, all these are there, then you have to put a tick mark there. Let us see. The car. An aeroplane flies in the sky. The watch has stopped working. The baker made fresh bread. The giraffe has a long neck. Father to school. So here they have given the car was parked here. So this is a proper sentence. That means it starts with a capital letters and ends with a full stop, and the complete sentence is there. A sentence has a sense. So this here we have to put here tick mark. An aeroplane. Is this a sentence? No, there is no meaning. Let us check this. An aeroplane flies in the sky. This is a perfect sentence and it has a sense. So here starts with a capital letter and we have to put here a full stop. The watch working. No meaning in this. Let us check this. The watch has stopped working. So this is a sentence. Put here full stop and starts with a capital letters. The baker made fresh bread. The baker made. This is a wrong sentence. There is no sense in the sentence. The baker made fresh bread. This is a right sentence. So put tick for this and ends with a full stop. The giraffe has a long neck. The giraffe has. It is no meaning in this, and this is a right sentence. Put tick and put a full stop because ends with a sentence ends with a full stop. Father to school. Is there any meaning? No. Father drew me to school. This is a correct sentence. Put here tick mark and a full stop. Circle the correct words to complete this sentence. To complete the sentence, we have to circle and we have to choose a word which suits. Let us check. A spider has 8 tails, legs, nose. A spider has 8 tails, no. Legs, yeah. For this, you have to circle. Like that, we have to pick a word which suit for the sentence. Every classroom has a board, a pad, one flower. What is there in the classroom? Yeah, it is a board. So circle here a bird. Turn the page. My grandfather breaks, reads, repairs clocks. So here my grandfather repairs clock. No one has been to the sun, moon, South Pole. So here it is a South Pole. Circle for that. A bird uses its wings to read. Can the bird read? No. It can walk. The bird uses its wings. It can walk, but with the help of wings, what is the use of its wings? Yeah, it flies. So circle for this. Match the words on the left with the words on the right. We have to match here with the left and with the right. For example, my grandmother gave me a hug. Like that we have to match this sentence. The brown horse. The brown horse. Seen this place before? The new book. Pull the cart. So match for this. The brown horse pull the cart. I have seen this film before. The new book. I have seen this film before. So match for this. And read the new book. Complete these sentences with the correct group of words from the brackets. So here again we have to choose a word which should to complete the sentence. For example, there are 3 eggs dash in the nest, in the tree, in the nest. So we have to write here in the nest. The new boy in our class is called dash. London, Mohit. Which word suits for this? Yes, Mohit. Right here, Mohit. M-O-H-I-T. Mohit and full stop. The sun is dash. Shining brightly, eating quickly. Yes, sun shining. Right here, shining brightly. Brightly is the answer. The roads of this town are very so broad. Yes, it is broad. Right here, broad. Next, our family likes to eat brown paper. No, no, no. Brown bread. Yeah, it is brown bread. So, right here, brown bread. It is brown bread. Next one, choose the correct words to complete these sentences. So, we have to again pick a word to complete the sentence. Let us check. Karan dash laughed, jumped over the puddle. So, he jumped. Choose the correct words to complete this sentence. Again, we have to choose the words which suit for the sentence and we have to complete that. Let us check. Karan dash over the puddle. Laughed or jumped? Yes, it is jumped. Jenny dash drinks, eats a glass of milk every. Pawan cleaned, cried because he fell down. Will you clean or cry? Yeah, it is cried. C-R-I-E-D, cried. Aisha watches to school. Walks, it is walks. W-A-L-K-S. While writing, what you have to do? You have to read out the spelling and write. Murugan dash played, saw a grasshopper in the garden. Murugan saw a grasshopper in the garden. Right? Rearrange these words to make sentences. So here they have given some sentences that you have to rearrange this and you have to again write the sentence. Let us check. Favorite color is mine green. So what you have to do? This is a incomplete sentence and there is no sense in this. You have to rewrite and you have to rearrange the sentence. Green is my favorite color. Green is my favorite color. And G is a capital letter, starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Second, I made sandwich for Sneha, me. So what you have to do is you have to rearrange this sentence. Sneha made a sandwich for me. Like this you have to arrange the sentence. So right here starts with capital. Sneha made a sandwich for me. Ends with a full stop. Read Mohit a story, brother. His too. Mohit read a story. Mohit read a story to his brother. Right here. Mohit read a story to his brother, ends with a full stop. Owls day during sleep. The owls sleep during day. Owls, the capital T, owls sleep during the day, and full stop. A question began with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. Rearrange these words to make questions. So this is a question form. Question starts with a capital letters and ends with a question mark. So let us check. Does concert when began the? You have to again rearrange this sentence and you have to end with a question mark, because this is, we are asking a question, so it ends with a question mark. When does the concert begin? Second, Jack's is where school. Where is Jack's school? This is, we are questioning. That's why we use for questioning when, where, what. Like that we use. So that's why we have to start with W, a capital letter. Where is Jack's? Where is Jack's school? It is ends with a question mark because we are asking here. So it is a question mark. Has gone where Asha? Where has Asha gone? It is a question mark. This, it is a name of a person. So again it starts with a capital letter. Is Karthik what Saturday doing this? What Karthik is doing. Read Mohit a story brother his too. Mohit read a story. Mohit read a story to his brother. Right here. Mohit read a story to his brother, ends with a full stop. Owls day during sleep. T, owls sleep during the day, and full stop. A question began with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. Rearrange these words to make questions. So this is a question form. Question starts with a capital letters and ends with a question mark. So let us check. Does concert when began the? You have to again rearrange this sentence and you have to end with a question mark, because this is, we are asking a question, so it ends with a question mark. When does the concert begin? Second, Jack's is where school. Where is Jack's school? This is, we are questioning. That's why we use for questioning when, where, what. Like that we use. So that's why we have to start with W, a capital letter. Where is Jack's? Where is Jack's school? It is ends with a question mark because we are asking here. So it is a question mark. Has gone where Asha? Where has Asha gone? It is a question mark. This, it is a name of a person. So again it starts with a capital letter. Is Karthik what Saturday doing this? What Karthik is doing this